Hello everyone, welcome to ATIA Interior channel. This is the current 4th generation of the Ford Expedition, which has been around since 2017. In 2022 it was a little bit refreshed, but as we can see, the model is going to be updated in the next 2024 as 2025 model year, as it has been spied a few times during last year. We don't know it will be full redesign for the 5th generation or just deep facelift. We have already rendered its exterior, but as for the interior, we have two ways of how it could be changed. If it doesn't receive a sliding screen like in the Explorer EV recently shown for European market, then we think the 2025 Expedition should get super wide screen like this. Let's take a look at our renderings of the new Ford Expedition interior. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's go.